Hello, friends! Today we'll look at some interesting proverbs from the book of Proverbs, Chapter 26. In our previous videos, we learned about some amazing proverbs from the book of Proverbs, chapters 1 through 25. If you haven't watched these videos yet, make sure to watch them so that you don't miss out on this rich wisdom. So let's get started. The first proverb is, "Praise for a fool is out of place, like snow in summer or rain at harvest time." This proverb means that praising a fool is not appropriate. It's just like snow falling in the middle of summer or rain during the harvest season. When you praise a fool, it seems wrong and doesn't make sense, just like those unusual weather events. It's better not to praise a fool because they won't understand or appreciate it. Instead, they might feel confused or think that you're being ridiculous. People consider themselves wise, but actually they're fools if they praise foolishness and consider it wise. So be careful when you're praising someone and make sure your praise is meaningful and appropriate. The second proverb is, "Curses cannot hurt you. They are like birds that fly by and never settle." This proverb teaches us that curses cannot harm us unless we deserve them. People who curse others may feel angry or upset, but their curses don't have any real power over us. Curses are like birds that fly overhead, making a lot of noise, but they don't land and cause damage. Similarly, when someone curses you, they might feel angry in the moment, but their anger and curses don't actually affect you. If you are innocent and have done nothing wrong, you don't need to worry about their curses. Just let them go and don't let their words bother you. The third proverb is, "If a fool could only answer a question silly, his wisdom would shine like the light of a star." This proverb means that if a fool happens to give a correct answer to a question, it would seem very surprising and impressive, just like seeing a star shining brightly in the sky. However, most of the time fools don't use their wisdom in a smart way, and their foolishness becomes obvious when they try to sound clever. So sometimes it's better not to ask certain questions to foolish people, because even if they happen to give the right answer, it doesn't really mean anything. The fourth proverb is, "Give a silly answer to a silly question, and the one who asked it will realize that he's not as clever as he thinks." This proverb means that if someone asks a silly or stupid question, the best thing to do is to give a silly answer. By doing so, the person who asked the question will realize how foolish their question was and understand that they're not as smart as they might think. It's a clever way to make fun of someone without being rude. The person asking the question might feel embarrassed, but it's not done in a hurtful way. Instead, it helps them see their own foolishness. So if you encounter someone who asks a silly question, consider giving a funny or unexpected answer. It might help them learn something about themselves and make them think twice before asking similar questions in the future. So friends, these are some amazing proverbs from the book of Proverbs. Chapter 26. Remember that these proverbs hold deep meanings and can teach us valuable life lessons. Try to apply this wisdom to your daily life and see how it can make a difference. We'll continue exploring more proverbs in the next video. So stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you for watching.